this building here. We got Continental modded by Schindler. This button doesn't work?
No.
Oh, it does. Yeah, looks like it.
8 stories. That's pretty tall.
Oh, yes.
This is an interesting Schindler.
Yeah.
Oh, there's companies up here that are.
And look, you can see the old Continental GAL lantern. Schindler shine, but it uses US brails. Sorry?
Should we call the other side?
You can take a look once we get back down.
Get back to 2. Yeah, sitting at 2. Yeah, this is Innovation Universal with Schindler. Very nice. Honestly, Innovation Universal was one of the only good classic fixtures left.
New West Physicians. Yeah, this is like mostly medical here. Let's quickly see the other side. Look, there's a button here.
Ah, the old call button. That was probably for the old elevator. I bet that's not what it is.
This one's modded too. Oh, what the hell? 3 different readers.
3 read.
3
And
readers.
none of them have.
Anyway, there's the car with 3 readers. That will be it.